What's going on YouTube? My name is DollarMike, aka Michael Mitchell, back at it again with another video, and I would just like to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Trust me, there will be something special for those 100 of you, plus some that will maybe be joining us after this video. This video isn't about what's coming up, but just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you again for 100 subscribers. We're gonna keep going, obviously. Anyway, in today's video, it's not actually about the iPhone this time because I've been talking about Apple products lately, so I can keep going, I guess, for a little bit longer. You guys are interested, so not the iPhone, but the Apple Watch. So let's get right into it. Oh, look at that! I got a notification right on time. That's crazy. Anyway, let's do it. YouTube. Before we get into today's video, I just want to let you guys know about this amazing company that essentially does exactly what I do with my videos, helping you guys all out, and that company is called Novae Money. Here's their website, and they're basically all about budgeting, they're all about credit, they're all about saving, they're all about investing. Everything that I talk about on my channel, they're about. You can either become a customer, so you can, pay a fee monthly and they'll take care of all that stuff I just mentioned for you, or you can become an affiliate and make more money than you're already making now. Obviously, all you have to do is recommend people to the program. Boom, you're making money that way. So like I said before, there is less than $2 a day, and they're all about better credit, debt elimination, better budgeting, and financial literacy. You can do all four of these things. That's all four of those things are actually included in their actual package that you would pay for at a monthly fee. And if you have any questions or want to sign up or want to look at more, find out more information about them, definitely just hit one of the two links down in the description below. One is for being a customer. The other one is to become an affiliate just like me. So definitely check out Novae Money. Like I said before, link in the description. Let's get right into today's video. Peace. So if you read the title of this video, obviously you know what it's about, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. So basically we want to know if the Apple Watch Series 5, the one right on my wrist right now, is actually worth it. Should you actually buy it? Is it worth your money? They make one of these like every year now, just like the iPhone. So is it getting a little bit stale, a little bit recycled? It depends, but we're gonna get right into it, obviously, because that's what I do. So first off, let's go on Apple's website and actually find out what's the difference between last year's model, the Apple Watch Series 4, and this year's model, the Apple Watch Series 5. So the only thing I could really find that was like a standout brand new feature is that the display. So the display never turns off. It always stays on because it's a OLED display, which is basically an organic LED display. It always stays on, so like you can peep at your watch, see all your stuff that's on your watch face, but you don't have to actually do this every 20 seconds if you wanted to see something that's on the watch face. You don't have to do that. That's the main thing I could find that's brand new, and I also watched the keynote, and that's basically all they said as well. There are a couple other features like they included a compass, which is a great feature for some. For me, no, I'll never use it, but that's nice. But really, I mean, when it comes down to it, I mean, it's still a great watch, but is it worth going from the Series 4 to the Series 5 to? And that's definitely, for me personally, what I think you should do. It's a no. If you already have a Series 4, there's almost no reason to upgrade unless you want an always on display on your watch, which is nice, but I mean, is it worth selling your Apple Watch and buying a new one? Probably not. If yours is like a little messed up, or you just really want the new one just because you like new tech, sure, go ahead. Other than that, nah, not really. My last Apple Watch I've ever had was actually the Series 1, so I literally went, 4 generations without having an Apple Watch at all. So going from the Series 1 to the Series 5 is a huge upgrade for me personally. They have all those health features that were introduced in the Series 3 and 4. They have the bigger screen that was introduced in the Series 4. So, and this is what I'll say. If you're coming from a Series 1, definitely upgrade. Coming from a Series 2, definitely upgrade. If you're coming from a Series 3, yeah, definitely upgrade. If you're coming from a Series 3, I would say upgrade. I think it's enough features on here, especially the bigger screen. You'll really like how the screen just like meshes with it. But I'll probably throw in some like B-roll or something. Series 3, yeah, I would say go ahead and get it. Series 4, no, I can't recommend it at all. It's a great product, but if you're coming, it's just not enough new, And that's kind of how I feel about the iPhones this year personally. But that's just me. Depends. Maybe there'll be a video on that. I don't know. You tell me. Possibly. Who knows? Maybe check it out later this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. But yeah, let me know if you guys have an Apple Watch down in the comment section. Thank you once again for 100 subscribers, like I mentioned before. But yeah, if you have an Apple Watch, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know which one you have. Hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, anything like that. Make sure you're following that stuff. If you want me to do any other videos, or like, actually, I mean, it's not really, this isn't really a review, but I mean, because the Apple Watch, they all do basically the same thing, which is, you know, like, tell the time, do some health stuff so that you can have an ECG on there for your health and all that kind of stuff. Fitness, you know, you can call people on it, you can text people on it, you get your text through there. It's all the same thing. It's all smartwatch stuff, you know, smartwatch business. So I mean, really, not really necessary review, but if you have a Series 4, I personally wouldn't recommend it. 1 and 2 definitely, 3 maybe. It's up to you. So thank you for watching this video. My name is DollarMike, aka Michael Mitchell. I'm out.